Explain like I'm 5. If humans breathe in oxygen and exhale CO2, then why does mouth-to-mouth resuscitation work? Here's the answer. Mouth-to-mouth resuscitation works because even though we exhale some carbon dioxide, there's still a significant amount of oxygen left in our breath. When we breathe in air, it contains about 21% oxygen. After our body uses some of that oxygen, we exhale air with around 16% oxygen. This remaining oxygen is enough to help someone else by providing them with the necessary oxygen to survive for a short period of time. In addition to providing oxygen, mouth-to-mouth resuscitation also helps the person exhale carbon dioxide, as you feel the need to breathe when your carbon dioxide level increases. However, it's important to note that in CPR, high-quality chest compressions are the most crucial part. These compressions help circulate oxygen-rich blood throughout the body, keeping vital organs alive until professional help arrives.